Penny stocks, sometimes known as microcap or nanocap equities, are inexpensive stocks that represent minor businesses. As the name implies, these stocks frequently trade for less than a couple of dollars per share, making them significantly more accessible to those with limited resources. In today's video, we will talk about the best penny stocks to buy due to significant momentum. Toward the end of the video, I will reveal penny stocks with insider trading activities. Here's the list of penny stocks to buy now, but please make sure you do your own research because I am not a financial advisor. The information presented here is for educational purpose only. Number 1. Crown Electrokinetics, ticker symbol CRKN, is the provider of dynamic tint. We make your glass smarter. The company's technology allows any glass surface to change between clear and dark in a matter of seconds. Crown partners with glass and film producers for mass production and distribution with applicability to a variety of windows, including those in commercial buildings, automobile sunroofs, and private skylights. In addition to replacing standard window tints, its technology is a thin film that is powered by electrically charged pigment, making it a more environmentally friendly choice than conventional window coverings. The company is backed by a strong portfolio of patents. Number 2. ACOR Therapeutics, ticker symbol ACOR. ACOR is a biopharmaceutical business that specializes in creating treatments to better the lives of people with neurological illnesses and restore function. ACOR employs neurology scientific, clinical, and business knowledge as strategic points of entry into other markets involving the nervous system, such as those for stroke, Parkinson's disease, and epilepsy. Regarding any of its goods or product candidates, the corporation does not run separate lines of business. Its net product revenue is entirely sourced from the US. Number 3. Kala Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol KDRA, is a biopharmaceutical company focused on the discovery, development, and commercialization of innovative therapies for diseases of the eye. The company's two marketed products are Isuvis and Inveltis. The company is engaged in the development of novel cancer therapies for patients with unmet medical needs. The company is developing two late-stage, Phase 3-ready therapeutics for clear unmet medical needs with reduced-risk development programs. One of the programs is a small molecule chemotherapeutic with a novel mechanism of action that has demonstrated clinical activity against a range of cancers, including the central nervous system, ovarian, and other solid tumors. Okay, thank you for watching to this point. Next, I will share with you 3 penny stocks with heavy insider trading in October, and they may be the best penny stocks to buy now. Number 1. TNGO Therapeutics, ticker symbol TNGX, is a biotechnology company, discovers and develops drugs for the treatment of cancer. After the business announced a presentation of some preclinical findings, a significant amount of momentum started to develop. This relates to the progress of its discovery platform and TNG260 candidate. In a press release, the CEO Barbara Weber said, "We are looking forward to present data on TNG260, a novel, highly selective co-REST inhibitor with the potential to reverse the immune evasion driven by STK11 loss of function mutations." STK11 mutations occur in approximately 15% of non-small cell lung cancers and render those tumors resistant to checkpoint inhibitors. The company plans to present the data at the Society for Immunotherapy of Cancer meeting in November. TNGO also has substantial insider activity. Boxer Capital, a 10% owner of TNGO, continues to accumulate shares of TNGO. It reported purchasing 237,000 shares in October. Its trades totaled more than $1 million, bringing its total holdings above the 7 million shares. Number 2. Douglas Elliman, ticker symbol DOUG, a real estate broker company and one of the few penny stock companies offering a dividend. Douglas announced a quarterly cash dividend of 5 cents per share on its ordinary stock last month. The CFO, Brian Kirkland III, Director Michael Lebowitz, and CEO Howard Lorber collectively bought more than 200,000 shares in October. Based on their average prices per trade, the buy accounted for more than $600,000 for October. Number 3. Applied Therapeutics, ticker symbol APLT. A clinical stage biopharmaceutical company develops novel products to target cardiovascular disease, galactosemia, and diabetic complications. Shares of APLT has been making a strong comeback, which is a welcome sign for anyone who held APLT stock over the last couple of months, since the stock took a beating due to the news about its lead candidate pediatric study failed to reach a statistical significance level. Since the trial news broke, insiders have been buying shares despite the pullback in the stock market. The CEO, Shoshana Shendelman, filed 2 Form 4s showing the purchase of more than $60,000 worth of APLT stock. Keep in mind that penny stocks are extremely risky and shouldn't make up the bulk of your portfolio. When trading penny stocks, timing the market by entering and exiting at the right time is always desired. Keep a tight eye on these stocks so you can sell them promptly if their value drops or increases suddenly. Always have a strategy to get out both on the upside and the downside. If you learned something valuable, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more contents like this. You can check out more videos on the channel and share. See you in the next one.